At school and at home, various things, appliances, furniture, detergents, and finishing materials, emit toxic substances that accumulate in the air. Many of them, for example, formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, trichloroethylene, and ammonia, inhibits the activity of the nervous system, irritate mucous membranes, and cause allergies, headaches, and other health problems. Green plants, including indoor plants, can protect the air from dangerous chemicals, humidify the air, and reduce dust levels. In such an environment, pathogens spread more slowly, comfort increases, and the air becomes fresh and ionized. Researchers from the U.S. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, exploring the possibilities of living in artificial conditions, drew attention to a number of plants that can form a favorable environment and purify the air from pollution. At home and at school, we also live in an artificial environment, and it will be useful for us to take advantage of these developments to create a favorable microclimate around us. Also, to the plants recommended by NASA for air purification, we will add those that are cultivated in Kyrgyzstan and studied by our scientists. You can effectively green a room with the help of phytomodules. Phytomodule is a device that allows you to create vertical gardening on the premises, which can be made up of certain plants that can maintain a healthy microclimate in our home. For example, lemon effectively absorbs benzene, while aloe, kalanchoe, balsam, and geranium can reduce levels of two toxins, formaldehyde and xylene. Indoor figs and pomegranates reduce trichloroethylene and xylene levels in the air. Cissus also effectively absorbs other toxins, chlorethylene and formaldehyde. Ficuses are good protectors from benzene and xylene, and cyperus and asparagus are good protectors from aromatic hydrocarbons, benzene, phenol, etc. Scheffler can neutralize three harmful chemicals at once: formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and benzene. Hamadoria and chlorophytum, xylene, benzene and formaldehyde, and indoor chrysanthemum, cleaning champion. In addition to neutralizing aromatic hydrocarbons, formaldehyde, and other substances listed above, ammonia can also be absorbed. Such cleaning champions are chlorophytum, dracaena, ivy, cyperus, and sansevieria. It is also a pike-tail and spathiphyllum. The latter reduces the level of trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, phenol, and xylene. And the rest of the champion plants, the level of trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Some plants are good antiseptics. For a set of releases of phytoncides, plant antibiotics, they protect against bacteria. NASA recommends placing the following plants indoors. Also, for optimal air purification, NASA recommends placing at least one plant per 10 square meters of indoor space. Choosing the right houseplants can reduce the risks of climate change at school and at home and can make our lives safer and more enjoyable.